How to fix SC672 error on Ricoh MP5055 Copier. When you encounter the SC672 error, try turning the Ricoh photocopier off and then back on. If the error is still not resolved, remove the hard drive from the copier and try turning the power back on to see if the machine can boot into the copier classic screen. Also, you should unplug all the cables on these two boards and plug them back in to eliminate the possibility of poor contact points. The result with the Ricoh MP5055 copier I am working on is that it still does not boot up. In many cases, this error is caused by a faulty hard drive. After removing the hard drive, the copier starts up normally, and you just need to replace it with a new one to fix the issue. Unfortunately, the main controller of my copier is damaged. Solution: you have two options: either remove the board and take it for repair, or replace it with another controller board. As for me, I chose to take it for repair to save costs. And I also replaced the hard drive with an SSD for more stability and durability compared to an HDD. Make sure the cable jacks are firmly plugged into these connectors. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and leave a comment to support me. Your support is a great motivation for me to create more useful videos to share with you. And don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Thank you for watching the video and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. And I'm also sorry, since I was recording while working, actions were not very quick and smooth. After installing all the screws, double-check everything carefully one more time. You should unplug and firmly reconnect all the cable jacks on these boards. Next, reconnect the power cable and turn on the copier. And now, let's check out the result. And very quickly, the copier has restarted normally. So, we have successfully fixed the SC672 error. Once again, a sincere thank you for watching the video and subscribing to support Tech Fix Everything's. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.